It is not snowing in West Michigan, but it did snow overnight in the deep south. Some parts of northern Alabama were under a winter weather advisory for all this snow, and there's yet another chance of snow in that area coming up this weekend.
Meanwhile, the capital of Spain today saw snow for the first time in nearly 10 years. Despite its high elevation, it is unusual to see snowfall in Madrid. Police are asking people to stay indoors and avoid going to the nearby hills to go sledding.
That's just
What?
buzzkill.
Oh, man.
Well, now we know where our snow went, you guys. Spain and Alabama.
Yeah. I mean, how often do they see snow out there and they're saying, oh, don't go planning.
Yeah,
You can't go enjoy.
No one's gonna
Don't go have fun. Don't make snow. What? Come on. We need some kind of distraction. Yeah, very unusual for those places to get snow. It's very unusual that we haven't had any here, but when's our next chance? We'll talk about that coming up. 13 weather ball is green to start our weekend. No change in the sunshine foreseen or the temperatures. Okay, maybe up a few degrees in some areas here tomorrow. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast an afternoon high of 33. It was 31 at midnight, but we don't forecast midnight highs. We forecasted the afternoon high, which was only 28 here in Grand Rapids. And for the first time in 10 days, we have not come within 3 degrees. Temperatures will fall into the teens overnight, maybe our coldest night of the season. We've been as cold as 15 back on January 1, but with the sun coming out here tomorrow and very light winds, we'll climb back up into the low and possibly mid-30s. Up through today, we're warmer than average. We've had less rain and snow than usual and less sunshine, although now we're up to 11.6%. We had 75% of the sunshine here today, but the snow, only 7.5 inches so far this season. That's almost 2.5 feet below average. Where did they get that snow from? Look at how far south the jet stream is. That's that little bit of low pressure system right in through here that brought that snow down into that area. And here comes that next one pushing down in that same area later on into the weekend next week. For us, not until on Thursday will we see that trough of low pressure come through. That's what's going to generate our snow late in the day on the 14th into the 15th. And the overall trend with the jet stream looks like it's going to be more northwesterly as we get into the following weekend and beyond. That may generate some lake effect snow for us. This is the European model starting on the morning of the 14th, and you can see that the snow will start to pile up late in the day and overnight through Friday. We're not looking at a lot, maybe an inch or two at the very most. Long range outlook, this comes out on Friday. This takes us through the last weeks of January and early February. Equal chance for either warmer or cooler temperatures, but look at this, higher chance for more precipitation. That could mean we'll see some snow second half of January through early February. That's what I'm thinking. Lots of sunshine along the lakeshore tomorrow, about as warm as you were today, up into the mid-30s. Up north, again, just about as much sunshine as you saw today. Maybe a degree or two warmer here into the low and mid-30s. And from Grand Rapids southward, I think we'll see more sunshine in more areas than we did today. Highs again into the low and mid-30s. 13 on your side forecast. Getting a little bit breezier late in the day Wednesday through early Thursday as that warmer air comes in, and that's when we will see the overnight snow Thursday night, and then getting colder the following weekend, perhaps the end of next weekend we might see some snow into the holiday on Monday.